Ever wondered about Zeus, the king of Olympus? Here's your lightning-fast guide. Born to Titans Cronus and Rhea, Zeus overthrew his father, freeing his siblings from his belly. Quite the family drama, right? He's known for his thunderbolt, a gift from the Cyclopes, used to maintain order and justice. Some even say lightning storms are Zeus showing his fury. Zeus was quite the ladies' man, fathering many Greek heroes like Hercules. But his wife Hera wasn't too thrilled about that. He's not just a myth, but a symbol. Zeus represents the sky, law, order, and justice. He's the embodiment of Greek culture's values and norms. So next time a thunderbolt lights up the sky, remember it could be Zeus maintaining order up there in the heavens. Now, isn't that electrifying?